Good morning, dear children. So, welcome to today's class. So, as you have finished fundamental test, term 1 test, now it's time to write term test 2. So, we have finished chapters, but we are considering only these chapters for the term test 2. You have finished fundamentals term 1. The fundamental test was based on multiple choice question, and term test 2, term test 1 was based on all the mains. It includes all the mains, match the following, question answers, fill up the blanks, tick the correct answer, missing letters, everything. So term test 2 is also similar as term test 1. It is also includes all the mains. It takes question answers, fill in the blanks, tick the correct answer, whatever is there in your textbook. The questions are taken from the textbook. So you have to get ready. Today we will have a revision class on the term test to the upcoming test. So children, in literature you have two chapters, Froggies at School and Stone Soup, whereas this is a poem and this is a lesson. One poem you have to study and one lesson for the term test 2. The question will be again for 20 marks. The question paper will be for 20 marks. The 5 marks again will be divided for the classwork and homework, worksheets and homeworks. So you have posted already us whatever you have written and whatever the due date we have given. In that duration you have posted us the classworks, worksheets, everything. So we will be going on through that worksheets and classworks which you have posted, and we are going to give you the extra 5 marks. Only the writing will be for 20 marks. Overall you will be having for 25 marks. 20 marks will be the writing part and 5 marks will be the submission of classwork and worksheets. Have you done it in due date or what? We will consider and we will give you the 5 marks, and 20 marks you will be writing whatever the mains you will be getting from your textbook. So as I informed you, in literature you have two. One is lesson and one is poem. Froggies at School is a poem and Stone Soup is a lesson, children. So now we will go through on the mains whatever we get. So first, Froggies at School. In Froggies at School you have the first main, choose the correct answer, where you will be getting the options. Okay, in the question paper also you will be getting the options. Only the thing is you have to select the answer and write it down in your answer paper. Children, follow the same method as you followed in term test 1. Okay, whatever the book you have kept in the last term test 1, same book you can continue. No need of taking one more book. In the same book you can continue and write the term test 2 in the same book. Don't forget to mention your name, class, subject and from which branch you are. These are the main concepts which you have to get it early before. In prior only you should get ready and keep the writing the subject on which you are going to write the test, the name, the class and from which branch you are. So these things you should get ready before you are going to write the test. So in the test you have to write only the answer. For example, if you are getting the choose the correct answer, the question, the school of the Froggies is beside a dash. The options will be given: pool, river, lake. So children, what you have to do, only the answer, the perfect answer is pool. Just write on first one, first main, first one, P-O-O-L, pool. That's enough. Don't write any kind of sentence. Don't write all the options are in that tick one. Don't do anything. Just write the answer. And questions also will be given. You can refer the revision worksheet which I will be going to post. Okay, you can write whatever I post in the revision worksheet, you have to write it in your homework book. I'll post the revision worksheet along with this video. That and all writing part you should write in your homework book, and you have to study that. Question answers you have to refer from the revision worksheet and you have to get ready. So again you have the match the following also. For match the following, children, you have two things. You can write the correct match. For example, snakes, slither. You can perfectly match, or you can write the answers in a proper way, or you can write the number. Okay, if you want to write the both the mains and match, it is also okay, or you are writing the correct answer in one shot, it is also okay. So according to your comfortable, you can write the match the following. Okay, there is no coloring part, so you no need to refer. Next, you will be having the questions from the stone soup also, children. You can refer the revision worksheet. The same tick the correct answer will also be carried over in this chapter. From this chapter also you will be getting the questions for tick the correct answer. Next, you have after question answers, as I informed you, for question answer refer the revision worksheet. So you have complete this sentence. A person who makes music is a musician. So whatever the answer is there, that's enough. Write only the answer. A person who cooks at a hotel, chef, whatever is that, you have to write only the answer, children. Place in your home where meals are cooked, kitchen. So you have to write only the answer. Next, you have the singular and plural from page number 69. Refer this more, children, because change of singular and plural is very important for you. If you refer in this, you will be helpful to write in your grammar also. Again, in grammar also you have singular and plural, adding of es, es and ves. So if you learn here, you will be helpful in writing here also. So the questions will be from this page also, changing of singular into plural. Change the words into singular into plural. You can write only the answer. So these will be the mains which will be covered from the literature part. From 2 chapters, all the mains will be covered. You should refer the worksheet, and after writing the worksheet, a doubt clarification class will be conducted where each and every main will be discussed. Now in general I am discussing both the chapters, but in our live class we will discuss in the mains, first main, second main, like that we will discuss in our discussion class. So after writing the worksheet, you will be getting more doubts. Okay, now listening you will not be getting so much doubts. When you start writing your revision worksheets, you will be getting, oh, what is this, how I should solve this question, how I should write this answer. So in live class we will discuss more about writing the term test 2. So please refer this, both the chapters question will be from all the exercises. Okay, 2 lessons will be included and questions will be from all the parts. Next, moving on to grammar, you have again 2 chapters, singular and plural, male and female nouns. Here 5th chapter and 6th chapter, as we have covered 4th chapter, 3rd chapter, 7th chapter also, but we are considering only for this as a term test 2. Other chapters we will conduct UT and we will complete it. Okay, singular and plural, children, the questions will be taken from all the areas, adding of yes, adding of es, adding of ies. The questions will be taken from all the part and it will be included in your question paper. It will be totally merged. You have, maybe you have to add yes, maybe you have to add ies, maybe you have to add ves. The questions will be mixed. So you have to, what I informed you when I explained singular and plural, you have to look at the last ending part of the word. Okay, which word it is going to end, which letter, from which letter it is going to end, you have to take into consider and you have to change into singular and plural. Next, you will be having few question answers where singular and plural will be totally changed, and then will be the male and female. In male and female, questions will be from the chapter, the page number 26. Here, my uncle is a very fast runner. Here you have to write whether the words, the nouns which are used in this is a male or a female. If it is a male, write first on M, second on F. M means male, F means female. Okay, so you can learn this main also. Next, nephew and daughter. Only here, children, you have to tick. No need of changing and writing once again. See here, nephew and daughter was a wrong match. We put a wrong and then we changed it. Here what you have to learn, just you learn whether it is a correct match, put the tick. Whether it is a wrong match, put a wrong. Okay, because here still you are not able to write that big words. So you just keep on learning and just put a tick mark and a wrong mark. If the sentence is correct, put a tick mark. If the match is wrong, put a wrong mark. So you have to read both the chapters, and main you have to concentrate towards the worksheets. Okay, whatever it will be from the worksheets, if you learn, that's more enough to write the term test, children. Whatever the doubts is there, please clarify in your doubt clarification class. Hope everyone will do well, and all the best for your upcoming TT2. I want everyone to score good marks in all the subjects, children. Take care, have a nice day, and all the best, children.